Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to make a body deodorant spray and what is the formula behind it. But before that, I would like you to subscribe my YouTube channel for getting the updates of all such latest videos. So let's begin. For making 200 ml of deodorant spray, we will be requiring these things. First is spirit alcohol. We will be requiring 170 ml of it. In this we are using a mild alcohol. Second is tea tree oil. It's basically an antibacterial liquid, around 10 ml. And the third thing is essential oil. It's basically a fragrance oil, around 20 ml. And an empty spray bottle, around 200 ml size. We can use any of these type of bottles. So let's start the process. Firstly, we will add tea tree oil. It's basically an antibacterial, around 10 ml, to our empty spray bottle. Secondly, we will add essential oil or fragrance oil. We can use any type of fragrance here which you want to add into your deo spray, around 20 ml, to our spray bottle. And lastly, we will add spirit alcohol. It's basically a mild alcohol, not the concentrated one. And please use non-toxic and non-poisonous alcohol only. And we will pour 170 ml of it to our spray bottle. And now we will insert the spray cap of it. And we will shake the contents of the spray bottle. So finally, we have prepared the 200 ml quantity of deodorant. It's very simple to prepare. So after packaging, our deodorant spray will look like this. We can package deodorant in this spray bottle and in this spray bottle also. It's really a good quality deodorant spray. And in this way, we can use our deodorant spray and we can apply directly to our body. So if you are having a confusion between a perfume and a deo, then I would like to clear here. Perfume spray basically uses concentrated alcohol and it has a fragrance oil around 20 to 25% in it. It can only be applied on our clothes, not directly to our body. While deodorant spray uses mild alcohol and 10 to 15% of fragrance oil, and it can be applied directly to our body. So friends, I hope you got the difference between a perfume and a deodorant. So friends, now you came to know how it's so simple to prepare a deodorant spray at home and for business purpose also. We prepared this deodorant at a very cheap cost. So those who want to do the business of it can gain a huge profit from it. We can use deodorant in any of these bottles. So friends, I hope you like this video and please subscribe my channel for getting the updates of all such latest videos. Thank you and stay connected.